Paper scraps and debris can enter the paper cavity and interfere with the paper output. In just a few simple steps, we'll show you how to avoid paper jams and other paper output issues. All you need for this maintenance is a size 2 Phillips head screwdriver. To begin, make sure that the printer is turned off. Push up on the paper strip bin and then pull out. Empty any available scraps in the bin. Next, open the door. Remove one Phillips screw along the front right and left side. Pull the side compartment's cover off. Proceed to clean out any debris or paper scraps from the cavity. You may want to use a flashlight. Place the compartment covers back on and screw it back into place. Close and push the front door in. Finally, set the paper strip in.